breakfast pizza. Anyone pizza for breakfast? Why not? Look at this beautiful dough. This is my salad dough, pizza dough, and I will link below how to make. Also, regular yeast-based, commercial yeast-based pizza dough. I have very simple and easy. You can make it within 1 hour. I will link below that recipe as well, whichever you choose, or you can buy, or really use your favorite pizza dough for this recipe, whatever you prefer. This is dough enough for nice 4 pizzas. Look how fluffy this recipe for nice size. While dough a little bit rested, we're going to make a sauce. Let it melt, just a minute or 2. Bit of salt, pepper. And I like to all my white sauce add a little bit of nutmeg. Just shred a little bit. We don't need to cook until it's nice and deep brown color, just a little bit. Cold milk is a #1 rule. Cold milk and hot rule, it means 0 clumps. I always add cold liquid. And because it's breakfast pizza, of course we want to have sage. I have already a little bit sage in my homemade breakfast sausage, of course, but I like to add a little bit to my sauce as well. And just kind of rub and break your dried leaves. If you have already, I harvest my own herbs, so sometimes I need to break them. Smells so good. I always shred my own cheese, and it's so easy. Matrona, beautiful dough. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look how easy and quick and delicious, beautiful pizza makes special on weekend or special occasion. Why not? Delicious. So hot, but so yummy. And this is a little beautiful quail eggs. They're just gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye, see you next time.